Hey guys, I'm Ricky with Monarch. I'm here with Joniel. We're about to check this claim out and show you guys what's going on inside. So the water here is leaking through the shower pan itself. There's an issue with the shower pan. The plumber tested it, which is why the water stains are downstairs in the first story of the house. The tile base is damaged, so this has to be replaced as well. It's the same tile, the continuity. The bathroom upstairs, it's directly above this bathroom. So you can see the ceiling is warped. I had to cut it out to get to the damage itself in the actual wood. You can see the stains, and you can also see, if you get close, the separation of the tile right there in that corner. The damages in that corner include this entire ceiling needs to be refinished, repainted, as well as the tile itself. Okay, so this closet is adjacent to the bathroom that we just looked at, and if you look up in here, you'll see the stains from the same water damage that's coming from the bathroom upstairs. That also caused water to push to the side and affect the room next door, as well as everything out here. Okay, so now we are in the room adjacent to the bathroom, and there's separation to the tile base, which is attributed to the water damage coming from that bathroom. And as you can see, it's the same floor that continues through the entire upstairs. The reason we're pointing out the floor is because of that water damage, which may seem very small, but due to the fact that this floor will most likely will not be able to be matched. The continuity is the entire area upstairs. All of this needs to be addressed, and that's something that we push for the homeowner. And then also the walls, as well as all these little features, because they have to remove that tile in order to fix it. They're going to affect the paint, which then has to be redone. You have to repaint this room, redo all these little fixtures. So all the continuity is included in the estimate. So we just finished walking through this house. I showed you guys the damages that are in this house due to that claim, all the continuity, everything that's going to be included. There's a lot of damage in there, a lot of damage that the insurer was not aware of. She wasn't sure what she could claim. She thought it was just, what she saw. She didn't know that there was so much more that was damaged. That's why we got involved. She called Joniel, one of our adjusters. We came out, did a thorough inspection, and now we're about to do the same thing with the field adjuster from the insurance side in the next few minutes. So we'll see how that goes.